Ozark Animal Hospital, and this is my friend Mimi, and we're going to demonstrate today cold laser therapy. Mimi was diagnosed by one of our doctors as having a possible neck injury. We're going to do the cold laser therapy, which helps with pain, inflammation, and and promotes healing. Excuse me. So we do protect their eyes because in case she looks at the laser, we don't want to have any eye damage, and I will be wearing goggles as well. But it usually takes a few minutes to do this. So my machine is set up. We're going to do her neck. We're going to put her goggles on. As you can see, we put goggles on Mimi. The client is usually in the room with the patient, and they will have goggles, and I will as well. Safety first. Always safety first. So we're going to get ready. I'm going to hit the machine. You will hear some beeping. That's the machine telling me that we're getting ready to go. And because it's her neck, it's going to take a total of 4 minutes, 10 seconds. So now we actually have what they call emissions. And the patient will feel a slight warmth. It doesn't get hot. It's like a warm massage. And I'm going to use her collar kind of to hold her in place. And I'm going to go use an up and down motion on her neck. We're doing basically the cervical portion of her neck. And then back and forth. And we go along the sides of that as well. And usually they're very comfortable throughout the whole procedure. But again, when she goes home today, she may be quite tired. You know, it's part of the healing. You may not see results right away. It's not a magic kind of thing. But usually after about the third session is when people start saying that they feel a lot better. They will let them play less medication sometimes if you're lucky. But it's just very nice. And we've actually tried it on ourselves too, just so we understand what the patient's going through. I think sometimes the hardest part for them is sitting still. They're very good. Yeah, there you go. Amazing, sweet girl. Depending on how anxious they are, sometimes we have a little machine in here that makes a heartbeat sound that sometimes calms them down. But usually the massaging action itself makes the patients quiet. And the machine gives us the information that we need to do the proper settings on the pet. It goes by their weight, their coat color, and their skin color. So all those things matter when we're inputting into our cold laser machine. That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Sometimes after the procedure, if they get really tired and they'll go home and sleep, sometimes you won't see any benefits for 1 or 2 sessions. Usually they have six sessions of laser therapy, usually twice a week. If they're going to have chiropractic work done or physical therapy or acupuncture, which we also provide at our hospital, we usually don't do them on the same day. We do want to promote the healing, but the dog does need to rest in between sessions of whatever therapy that they're going to have. And it can be used in conjunction with medications as well. Well done.